In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix horizontal lines on iPhone screen. First, try restarting your iPhone. Just press and hold the power button along with the volume up button until you see the slide to power off option. Slide it, wait a few seconds, and then turn your phone back on. Next, check if your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Open Settings on your mobile and then click on General. And then click on Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Still seeing lines? Try cleaning your screen gently with a microfiber cloth. Sometimes it's just residue, but if not, it could be internal. If the issue isn't software related, there might be a loose connection between your phone's flex cable and logic board, or it may have suffered physical damage. Before rushing to a repair shop, one last thing. Reset your iPhone settings. Go to Settings. Once you are in, then click on General, and then scroll down to the last, and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then click on Reset, and finally click on Reset All Settings. If nothing works, unfortunately, it might be internal damage, and it's time to visit your nearest repair center. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.